Agency bill company payables are tracked through the payable ledger. To keep this ledger up to date, you need to utilize the ledger to make your payments. The advantages to using the payables ledger include getting an up-to-date company payables report showing your current payables due. Policy level postings allow for quick reference at the policy screen. By using the policy postings to make payments, you have a chance to prove the policy, and you can easily generate a remittance report to submit to the carrier or broker with your payment. When you are ready to pay a company, you start at the company ledger, then click the Payables icon. Select in the Type drop-down Company AP, then choose the company you wish to pay in the Select Named field. You will now see displayed all of the items currently due to the company. Be aware that the screen is filtered to exclude future items, so if you are wishing to pay an item that has not yet become due, you can change the date to your desired future date. The policy lines you see in the list are in date order by default. If you are on a cash basis, that date is the date the client paid, and if you are on accrual, the date is the effective or first payment date of the policy. It may be helpful to sort the entries by name by clicking the checkbox in the bottom corner. Each policy may be broken up into pieces depending on the complexity of the policy and the number of client payments. You will see the original amount is the net portion of premium, and non-premium items are listed separately and detailed in the description column. To apply a payment to an item, you can double-click on the line, which will move the amount of the line to the payment column, and add it to the total at the bottom. This total is the amount that will be paid to the company when we finalize the payment. If we need to apply a partial or an overpayment to an item, you can right-click on the line and type in a custom amount, which will leave the item open with an updated balance after the statement is finalized. We can make adjustments on the fly if our policy is not matching up. With a company invoice as our reference, we click the magnifying glass to open our policy and make any changes necessary, making sure to regenerate accounting as we save our changes. With the net premium correct, we apply payment to the policy lines, which now matches our company invoice total. Or if we wish to pay everything in view, we can click the Pay All icon. Once the total matches what we wish to pay, we select the account to pay from, double-check our date, and modify the description if desired. If you are printing this check, the description doubles as the default check memo, and the next available check number is already presented in the check number field. We can change this or clear it out in the case of an EFT payment. The payee can also be changed if you wish this check to go to a different party. Simply type over the current payee. Once all is correct, click Pay. The items paid will be cleared from the payable ledger, and the check is now entered in the bank ledger to print if needed. With the payment highlighted, you can obtain a remittance report if desired. Simply click the report icon and print the report to send along with your payment. At any point, you can run the company payables report from the reports list to see any company payables currently due. The next tutorial will show you how to utilize the payables function to pay your producers.